everyone prefers steamed fish or pan-fried fish with a crispy texture? Today's pan-fried fish recipe requires just a jar of garlic spicy oil to make it happen. I love cooking and easy recipes. If you do too, then this recipe is perfect for you. First, line the air fryer with a layer of aluminum foil. The seasoning is simply these 2 jars of pepper salt. Clean the fish fillets, pat them dry, and then evenly sprinkle pepper salt on both sides of the fillets. This pepper salt tastes great. It's also excellent for making pepper shrimp or as a dip for boiled eggs. I couldn't find this pepper salt in supermarkets for a while, so I bought it on Shopee later. If you're also interested in purchasing it, you can click on the QR code that appears in my video to buy it directly on Shopee. Remember to spray a layer of cooking oil on the aluminum foil. Also, spray some cooking oil on the fish fillets after placing them to prevent sticking. Air fry the fish fillets at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Then flip them and air fry for another 3 to 5 minutes at the same temperature until golden and crispy. Here comes the signature sauce. This is the super convenient and delicious spicy garlic oil I recently discovered. It's also available via the QR code, and you can buy it directly on Shopee, which is very convenient. Simply spread the spicy garlic oil generously over the fish fillets. The fillets already have a base flavor from the pepper salt, so there's no need to drizzle with soy sauce. This spicy garlic oil has crispy and flavorful fried garlic. The spicy and numbing taste is quite bold and delicious. This recipe is perfect for busy office workers. When you get home, you just need to take out the fish fillets, sprinkle on some pepper salt, and you can wait to eat. This brand also has flavorful shallot oil. Friends who don't like spicy food can buy this one instead. Fish fillets are an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle building and repair. They are rich in important nutrients like vitamin D and selenium. Fatty fish fillets, in particular, provide beneficial omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. Fish is a great choice for fat loss. It's packed with high-quality protein, which helps keep you full and satisfied. Additionally, fish is relatively low in calories, especially white fish, making it a smart option to enjoy more of during your New Year's feast. Eating fish during the New Year symbolizes abundance and prosperity, as the Chinese word for fish yin sounds like the word for surplus, yin. It represents the wish for a surplus of wealth and good fortune every year. In addition to symbolizing surplus year after year, eating fish during the New Year carries these other wonderful meanings depending on the context and type of fish. Eating fish on New Year's Eve. Usually, this dish is only looked at but not eaten on New Year's Eve, or only the middle part is consumed. It's important to save the head and tail for New Year's Day, symbolizing a good beginning and end to the year, completeness, and abundance for the entire year. Serving style. There are also customs regarding how the fish is placed when served. The fish head should point toward the elders or the most distinguished guests as a sign of respect. The fish belly should face those who are learned or knowledgeable, symbolizing that they are full of wisdom, literally ink in their belly. When eating, people at the table will not flip the fish over completely, as turning the fish sounds like turning over a boat or turning over a cart, which is considered unlucky. Instead, they will carefully remove the bones to access the other side. May you have abundance and surplus year after year, living in prosperity and peace. Wishing you a career that thrives like a fish in water, smooth and successful. Hope the new year brings you endless blessings and continuous good fortune. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.